Hello, so today I am making our own little yellow rose oil. As you see here, I've gotten some old yellow roses that were given to me. And I got coconut oil, so that's for later. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the yellow powder, putting them in water to wash. You would not believe how dirty roses get. And once you get them washed, you take them out to dry. When you get the yellow roses dried, you put them into a jar, pack them down, and you put like some kind of oil, like the alternative coconut oil, like I'm doing, into the jar. Once you get that done, you want to kind of poke it all down real good, like you see me doing in the video. You want to cover the rose petals really good. That's why I add some more oil to it, and make sure we got it all in there. Cover it real good. And then once that's done, all we're going to do is we're going to put a lid on it. And then we're going to put some hot water in a bowl and set this into that bowl of hot water. We'll have to renew the hot water for the 6 hours that it'll sit. And then I'm going to take a towel and I'm going to cover that up.
6 hours later.
And then afterwards, you drain it
yellow rose
and you get
oil.
this beautiful oil. Thank you.